How are you?
Let's learn English together.
Hey, have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, I watched a new action movie last night. It was amazing.
Really? What's the name of the movie?
It's called Night Chase. The story is fast, and the action scenes are awesome.
Sounds interesting. Who is the lead actor?
Ryan Cooper. His acting was great, especially in the chase scenes.
Nice. Is it available online?
Yes, it's on Netflix. You should watch it.
Sure, I'll watch it this weekend. Do you like action movies the most?
Yes, but I also enjoy comedy. What about you?
I prefer comedy and drama. They make me feel relaxed.
Then we should watch a comedy movie together sometime.
Good idea. Let's plan a movie night this Saturday.
Perfect. Popcorn and movies, best combination.
Absolutely. I'll bring the popcorn. You choose the movie.
Deal.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe for daily English conversations with us.